In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable in Airtable, step by step 2026. First, open your browser and go to airtable.com. If you're new to Airtable, this is the home base for everything you'll do: building, organizing, and collaborating on your data. Next, log into your Airtable account. You can sign in with email and password or use a single sign-on option if your organization provides one. If you're prompted for security verification, like a code sent to your device, go ahead and complete that to keep your workspace secure. Once you're in, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see your work at a glance. Airtable groups things into workspaces, which are like folders for teams or projects, and inside those you'll find your bases, the individual databases that hold your tables, views, and automations. This page is designed to help you find what you need quickly. Look to the left-hand navigation. You'll see sections like Start, which shows items you've marked as favorites for quick access, and Shared, which surfaces bases or interfaces that others have shared with you. Depending on your plan, you'll also see your workspaces listed here. If you switch between clients or departments, this is where you toggle between them. A quick tip: star your most active bases so they're always at the top. Below that, you'll find templates, the apps or marketplace area, and imports. Templates give you a head start with pre-built structures for things like content calendars, CRMs, or project trackers. The marketplace is where you can add extensions that enhance your base. Think charts, maps, and specialized utilities. Imports help you bring data in from spreadsheets or other tools, which is handy when you're migrating existing work. At the bottom of the sidebar, look for the plus create button. Click this when you're ready to make a new base. You can start from scratch, choose a template, or import a CSV. Give your base a clear name, and as you build tables, use descriptive field types, like single select for categories, date fields for timelines, and linked records to connect tables. This makes your data more powerful and easier to maintain. If you need help, look for the in-app help or message icon. This is where you can send a message about a concern or problem. Describe what you're trying to do, what happened, and include any relevant context. The more specific you are, the faster you'll get to a solution. And that's your guided tour. Explore your dashboard, use templates to speed up setup, and create confidently with the tools in the sidebar. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Airtable.